What's up? Got one more for today. So this is actually not going on my razor, but I'm going to do a bunch of work to my truck. So I figured I might as well start with the easiest one. So I'm going to show you 2 seconds. I'm going to replace that third brake light right there because I've already replaced the bulbs in it. And if I could find my keys here, I would show you what I mean, but it's got one bulb that's out and I've already replaced it one time and it's just got a bad connection. I'm going to replace it with one of these. So they're not, it's like, I don't know, 12, 15 bucks on eBay, and it's a direct fit. So all it is a couple screws and we're done. Well, that was a lot harder than expected, but anyway. So hopefully it's just plug and play. How? So you know what? I'm probably gonna clean that off so I can get a good seal so I don't get a water leak. Right. Much better. So, LED lights, I'll just compare it to the old one. It's just going to be a lot better, and I'll have actually 2 lights, well, more than 2 lights that work. This one was just working on this one, and I'm sure that the brake light is brighter too. That brake light doesn't light up, but hopefully that lit up. See you later.